So this is a quick video just to show you how brilliant the Ninja Artisan pizza oven is. So this is the setup. So press the button, decide what you want to do, make pizza, air fry, bake, whatever. Obviously I want to make pizza. Select what type of pizza you want, Artisan, thin crust, New York style. I'm going for custom. Turn the wheel to set the temperature. I set it to the maximum, which is 370, and then just set the time as well. So I find that 2.5 minutes is perfect for my style of pizza and the dough that I use. Press the start button and let that oven preheat. Now get your pizza. This is just a simple cheese, mushroom and olive pizza. Close the door, press the button and just leave it. No need to turn, just leave it and let the oven do its thing. Here's a lovely close-up of my pizza cooking. Again, no turning, just leave it. Literally 2.5 minutes, it's ready. So here we go. Take it out. Let's put it on the plate. Don't trip over the hose pipe on the way down to the table. It's getting a bit late now, it's about 9 o'clock. Onto the plate. It's a 10-inch pizza, and here's the close-ups. Absolutely phenomenal. Look at that melt. Look at that crust. And look at that undercarriage, absolutely perfect. If you're looking for a pizza with no faff, this could be the one for you. It's absolutely brilliant.